Hi everyone, yasas, que kalosirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to teach you how I make my creamy and cheesy Greek artichoke feta dip. It's so easy to put this together. I use canned artichoke hearts for this, lots of feta, herbs, cheese. It bakes until it's bubbly, and when it comes out, it smells so good. All you need is some crusty bread or pita chips or maybe some veggies, and then you can serve it. Let me show you how I make it. We're going to begin by thinly slicing 2 or 3 scallions and adding them to a frying pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook this over medium heat until they're nice and soft and golden, and then I like to go in with 2 grated garlic cloves and just warm the garlic through until it's fragrant. It's about 20-30 seconds is all you need. Take it off of the heat, and then it's time to add the cream cheese. So 8 ounces of cream cheese, or 1 block of cream cheese, is what's going in here. I did leave the cream cheese out at room temperature, but the pan is still pretty hot from the heat. So I'll add the cream cheese to the pan to help it soften up and melt in there. Mix it all together with the scallions and the garlic, and then we can go in and add the remaining ingredients. The zest of a lemon, not the whole zest because it becomes a little too overbearing. Maybe about 1/4 of the zest will go in. So I have some Greek yogurt here. A cup of Greek yogurt is what we're using, so it's nice and thick. You can use fresh dill for this. If you're using fresh dill, about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. I'm using dried, so I'm just going to sprinkle in about 1 teaspoon of it. Some dried oregano, about 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, freshly cracked black pepper, 6 to 8 ounces of feta cheese, just crumble it in there. And then I have a 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts that have been drained. I'm just going to roughly chop them, just very gently, not breaking them apart too much. I have an 8 by 8 inch little baking pan over here. I'll add everything in here with the artichokes and a nice handful of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix everything all together and spread it out in the pan. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is going to go in and bake on the center rack for about 30 minutes until it's nice and golden and bubbling. You can drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil once it comes out, and you can sprinkle some parsley, but I just serve this as is, nice and warm with some pita bread, chips, whatever you like. This is so cheesy and gooey and good. It tastes good with pretty much everything. You can even serve this with just veggies if you like, just to dip the veggies in, but it's ready to serve. And there you have it. My feta and artichoke dip is ready. It smells amazing. Of course, you can drizzle some more olive oil on top if you like. Garnish it with some chopped parsley, but all I like to do is toast some bread or pita and serve this up. It disappears in minutes because it's so delicious. If you love dips, you could also check out my spinach and feta Spinach pita dip. They're very similar. They're both delicious and perfect for like appetizers if you want to serve this at a party. You can print the recipe out on the blog, dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.